Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to use the large formula. Large formula allows you to find the position or the rank of a specific value from a group of numbers or from a data set. Like for example, these are the values which are 120, 800, 100 and 130. Now if you want to find out which is the first value, second value, third value and the fourth value, you can use the large formula. How? Let me show you. So is equal to large returns the kth largest value in a data set, for example, the fifth largest number, and this, whether it has to be fifth or first, that has to be defined by you. So large and select the data, comma, now find the value which you want to find, like the first highest number. So I type in 1. Over here, if I want to find the second highest number, then I again select this data, comma 2, so on and so forth. In case, if you want to use the reference of positions rather than typing in the positions over here, like over here I typed in 1 and 2. So we can use another option. Here's the data that we're talking about, say Superman, He-Man, Spider-Man and Hulk. These were their sales figures and I want to find out what's their relative sales position. So I delete this first and I type in is equal to large and I select this array, all right, comma. Now for this kth value, I can actually select this cell. So now I know the largest number is 12,000 and comma, second largest number is 5,800. So this is how the large formula works in Excel. See you in the next video.